back, in the cut, what the hell is up? From the bottom of the depths of the depths, yeah, I'm rising up. From my mind to my body to my soul to my spirit, I know what's up. Life had told me no. I said, what the fuck is up? These heights are mighty frightening. Damn, it's so enticing, man. Damn, it's so exciting, man. I can't control my own damn hands. All these whack rappers, I do not know why y'all hyping them. Toss them right up in the air, I'm motherfucking sniping them, striking them. Watch them hit the ground as if they lighting them, sizing them. You already know that I've been fighting them. Hold up, wait a minute, ayo, so why you wildin'? Cause they chillin', spittin' writtens when they be freestylin'. All their lyrics mild, man, all my lyrics wild, damn. Blood, sweat, tears, fears, passion blasting out these hands. Ain't worried about the bands, no, they comin' later, and I just keep it all a buck when I be rapping to my fans. In the back, in the cut, what the hell is up? From the bottom of the depths of the depths, see, I'm rising up. From my mind to my body to my soul to my spirit, I know what's up. Life had told me no. I said, what the fuck is up? From the bottom of the depths of the depths, yeah, I'm rising up. What's my worth? Tell me what's my worth, cause I've been rapping so long that my lungs have started to hurt. And I know that I am so sick. Yes, I know I'm so sick. Yes, I know you know this. That Supreme is so sick, so sick. You went to the doctor like, yo, what is this? I listened to this track last night, I couldn't be a critic. I contemplated about my life, think I'm really messing up, I gotta get my soul right. Doctor, can you help me? Can you prescribe me something? I swear he might just be nice or I'm motherfucking bugging. Ayo, stop. I know they play that image in their head, stop. You know I put that image in their head. If that isn't skill, that's just a fire of my will. I'm too trill, battle rapping, yes, I'll go right for the kill. No, I will. All these niggas begging for deals and begging for these meals. I just give you all that real, no surreal. This is still in the back, in the cut, what the hell is up? From the bottom of the depths of the depths, see, I'm rising up. From my mind to my body to my soul to my spirit, I know what's up. Life had told me no. I said, what the fuck is up? From the bottom of the depths of the depths, yeah, I'm rising up. I'm cunning as if I'm a fox. Bars are Joe, just a mom in the box. Nigga, I'm David blending out the box. Got him like soul, how you got past the locks. Told him it's simple, got keys to the locks. My drive, the love, the songs that I drop. Bottom feeder, harpooning to the top. To drag the top back down to the block. Thought it was known even rappers get shot. Life in the game that you save in the slot. Living as me, so fuck something I'm not. Raised by my parents, so school I ain't dropped. Still from the hood, so it's fuck dirty cops. Think I'm immortal enduring these shots. I think I'm immortal enduring these shots.